welcomes you once again in Instagram live series with one more professional, a hardcore working person and a personality who's down to earth. We are very happy to have people from all walks of life, and we do not have any age criteria when our guests are joining us, because we have moms joining us from the young age to, there is no age limit actually, because we are super blessed to have people like them. You know, there is a saying that we must strive for the perfection, we must work for the betterment, we must compete. What we should not do is copy, what we should not do is imitating. That's what is happening all over. That's what we have been seeing, that's what we have noticed, and we are really glad to see that when others are doing the same thing what we have initiated, every launch, every campaign, or every activity what Mommy's World does is being copied, is being imitated, has been tried, tested in other platforms. But we will walk tall, we will walk straight, because we believe in ourselves. I believe in you, I believe in Mommy's World for you and me people, because you have always been there, standing rock solid and giving us the complete support we need. So today, let's not waste the time. Welcome one person, and I would say a beautiful lady. And I'm so happy that she is joining us. When she asked me that she want to come for this live session, I was not sure that is she a part of MW, since how long she is doing this thing, her professional career. When I read, it is commendable. This is really blessing, you know, for each one of us to have a parenting figure with us around today. Let's welcome Miss Bhairavi Naik, and she is in her field since more than 2-3 decades. She comes from a background of vice principal, which she'll be sharing with you, and she not only handle her family very nicely, but she is a master in numerology and tarot reading. Super happy to have her. We are looking forward for this session. I'll just check it out if she is here with us. So yes, she is watching us. And so keep your queries ready. You have to send your date of birth, that is date, month and year, and we'll be taking up the queries after 10-15 minutes. Let's hear her journey out first, and let's take some, what do you call that, her strong, she's been invited. Just a second, I've already invited her. Let's see if she's coming. Let's listen to her and take some moments to appreciate the fact that she is not stopped yet. She is still doing continuously good for the people, for the society, for everyone else. Bhairavi ji, I've sent you the request already. Please accept that so that I can take you in the live session. And I'm little dicey to think about if she may not have updated her Instagram. I am getting a message that she is not able to join. We just ask her to update the app. If you're watching me, please update the app, Bhairavi ji, and then I'll send you the joining request again, so that our community can see you, can hear your journey, and can feel really empowered. This is the best way to get empowerment. A motherly figure and the experienced person when coming live with us to answer your queries. What else you do ask in life? The best way to respect them is to hear what they have been through. That's the best thing we could do. So yes, let's welcome her once again. I've sent her the invite once again. The Instagram has got few changes of it.
Yeah, good evening, Shalu. Yeah, good
Good evening,
evening.
भाभी जी,
Sorry for
कैसे
being
हैं
little
आप?
late.
नो
Yeah.
प्रॉब्लम, हाउ आर यू? कैसे हैं आप?
Hello.
कैसे
I'm
हैं
not
आप
getting
भाभी
the
जी?
voice. हाँ ठीक हूँ, अच्छी हूँ, बहुत अच्छी हूँ. आप कैसे हो?
आप बहुत अच्छे लग
Yeah.
रहे हैं और आपका लाइव बहुत पहले ही हमारे साथ होना था और किसी वजह से वो डिले
हाँ
हुआ, पर
हाँ
थैंक यू, आप आए हैं और हमारी
हाँ
कमरे बहुत वेट कर रही है. भैरवी जी, मैं
हाँ,
पहले आपसे
करेक्ट.
जानना
Yeah.
चाहूंगी, आप कहाँ बेस्ड हैं? आप बॉम्बे में हैं? आप कहाँ पे बेस्ड हैं?
मैं बॉम्बे में मीरा रोड से हूँ. We are
ओके,
residing at Mira Road. Yeah.
ओके.
And
और
previously
आप
we were in Borivali, then we shifted to Mira Road.
ओके, और आपका
Yeah.
जो जर्नी रहा है, मैंने जो पढ़ा है वो तो बहुत एक्साइटिंग है. मैं चाहूंगी आप मेंबर्स को बताइए कि आपकी जर्नी कहाँ से स्टार्ट हुई है.
हाँ.
आप एज अ टीचर, वाइस प्रिंसिपल
Basically,
रहे हैं.
yeah. I started my journey as a school teacher, in junior primary section like. फिर बाद में मैंने बीएड किया. I took my BA teachers training and did my post graduation and went for secondary section. And then I worked in a particular school. First I worked in Padel English High School, and then I worked in other school near my vicinity of my residence. And it
ओके,
was under the HSNC board, Hyderabad Sim board. And I
ओके.
worked there for about more than 38 years. And I retired as a vice principal. But side by side, I had
38
really 10.
38 ईयर्स बहुत बड़ा टाइम
Yeah,
होता है भाई. आप हमारे साथ जुड़े हैं, मुझे
very
बहुत
true.
अच्छा लग रहा है और मुझे ये पूरा
Thank
यकीन
you
है कि
so
आज
much.
बहुत सारे लोग इस सेशन के बाद आपको कांटेक्ट करने वाले हैं.
Thank you so much. I hope for the best because I want people to get my help also, whatever I have my knowledge, and also I want that they should contact me because this is really a wonderful science which I am going to explain in a nutshell in later stage. Yeah.
भैरवी जी,
And
आप टीचिंग लाइन में थे और उसके बाद कैसे आपका इंक्लिनेशन स्पिरिचुअल लाइन में कैसे हुआ? कैसे आप टैरो रीडर और
actually,
न्यूमरोलॉजिस्ट बने?
Chalu, huh, very true. What happened now? Basically, I started with tarot because one of my friends had learned tarot, and one day I had asked her some questions, and accordingly, I got very good answers, and it really linked with my truthness of life. So I thought of studying this, and I asked her where she learned, like, and it was the journey where it began with. And she said she learned from a Punjabi guru who was residing in Santa Cruz. And then
Okay.
I also learned, and then slowly I joined, started had an inclination to learn about other courses also, spiritual courses like numerology and all this other. So I also went into all this different field, and I really to be true, I needed some money and finance in my house also at that time as a side earning, and I also wanted to help people. So I started this journey as a tarot reader and numerologist, and then slowly I learned Vastu and many more things. So
अच्छा,
this is how it went. Yeah.
तो वो कहते हैं ना
So
भैरवी जी कि
yes,
आपका पेट आपको सब सिखा देता है. तो जब भूख होती है
yeah, it's true.
तो आपको सब मिल
Correct.
जाता है. तो आपको जरूरत भी थी और आपने सोसाइटी के लिए भी करना चाहा, तो बहुत अच्छे तरीके से
Yeah.
आपने अपनी लर्निंग ले ली.
Yeah, from the very beginning, I had lot of this because the way I had gone through that time period was little hard in my life. So I got my answers through tarot, and I wanted to help people also, and I wanted to guide people in the right way. But tarot alone cannot give solutions. That is for truth. That is right, and also numerology is one of the associated, I would say, connectivity which would give solutions to enhance and progress life, bring prosperity and many more things.
But what do you suggest?
So I learned all these courses.
तो भैरवी जी, what do you suggest? जब आपने इतनी सारी लर्निंग ले ली, टैरो रीडिंग भी हो गया, फिर आपने न्यूमरोलॉजी
Right.
भी किया, वास्तु भी किया, आपको क्या लगा कि कौन सी ऐसी चीज है जो बहुत ज्यादा, या फिर सभी में सबका विश्वास होना चाहिए?
See, every field has its own place and it has its own this place of importance. Like, and I believe that this all things are really working in our cosmic world, which I feel they are really helping in one or the other way to us. And I have myself experienced along with my clients. I have got a good number of clients also in so many years of lifespan. And I have helped people, and I have really contact people, keep in touch with me from last 10 years, 15 years. Many are in contact because they get real help with this particular things, and I would call they are field of science only. They are different kinds of sciences only. In the maybe in the mystical world, people may believe it or not. Truly speaking, Shalu, there is many times I have seen that often people ridicule, when we say numerology is a science.
Yes,
But
yes, I
when I
agree.
have experience with numbers, and we cannot, it is a kind of science which can be, you may not accept it, but you can't, uh, discourage also,
Denied or refuse it,
because
yeah.
numbers play an important role in our life.
Right.
I'll tell you in a nutshell two, three things. Like Hindus, or even you take the Catholics, or even you take Muslims, everywhere numbers are working from ancient times. And
Yeah.
we have seen that, for example, if you see the rosary beads are of 108. So 9 number is said to be of spirituality.
Yeah.
Another thing is which you take, for example, even when you take giving gifts to somebody, you won't
Hmm.
give 300 or 100. You will put that 1 rupee.
Hmm.
There really we are seeing numbers only. So
Right.
numerology is what, based on various particular activities of life. And since the person is born, he is born with a
Hmm.
birth date,
Right.
and that birth date cannot be changed. So
Hmm.
we also take, along with date of birth, we take the number, this name. So name
Okay.
number is different, and date of birth has two different numbers. One is the birth date, the
Right.
first date of birth, which is very important because we celebrate our birthdays with the first
Yes.
date of birth only.
Right. Right.
And
Right. Yeah.
the whole total of the date of birth also is very important, which is called our
Okay.
destiny number. And I have seen, and you'll
Hmm.
read literature with many books in the market. They are available nowadays on Google and everywhere.
Yeah.
You'll come to
Hmm.
know that numbers really how they play an important role. And it is
Hmm.
not a kind of science which is developed just
Hmm.
2 days before on. It is coming since years together. Kiro,
Yeah. Yeah.
an Irish man, he became a
Hmm.
numerologist. He was the first person to write the book of numerology. And he
Right.
came and learned the science of numerology because I'll tell you one last example, then we can move on further with how it works. I'll tell
Hmm.
you in introduction, I had tried to remember this. That
Yeah.
when, for example, if you take this Huh. Kiro, when he came, he learned the science of numbers, and then he learned in Sanskrit. And then
Right.
he revised everything, and he started to make it uh, affiliant with the English language, and
Hmm.
alphabets were put accordingly. So these particular things are much more in deep and depth, which I can explain in detail. But
Right.
now, when time is short, I can't tell you much. Another thing
Hmm.
is, what an example I want to give is that this cosmic world is built
Hmm.
up of many elements.
Hmm.
This is little bit, you may feel that all may not, my viewers may find it little difficult to understand, but I'll give you a simple example. If
Hmm.
you start a TV or a radio, so unless you put the buttons on, it will not
Hmm.
give you the waves. So they are on the radioactive waves and cosmic energy waves, and they are transmitted only when the button is on. In the same way, every individual has some cosmic energy, which is
Hmm.
a kind of, transmitting. And that
Hmm.
is through the numbers. Now, numbers
Hmm.
also, if you take, for example, the Hindu, this particular common, this Om, when
Hmm.
Om is chanted, or even
Hmm.
if you see, various particular prayers and everything. Chanting is done. So the sound of it goes. Now, all this is based in numerology only. It's included in numerology because everything is with the sound of waves and connected to the cosmic energy and the cosmic world. So, in a way, a person is born with the date of birth, and his date of birth is connected to some major planets. We all are connected to one day, the day when we are born. So,
Right.
the sun is a star, and there are 9 planets.
Right.
So, all days are actually formed with the numbers. So, sun is one number, then moon is 2 number, and the moon day is Monday, if you take it. In the same way, if you take Jupiter, it is with Thursday. So all the planets are connected to the numbers. And this is how the numbers work. So all of us are born with one major planet. Because we are born on a particular day. I didn't give example of Mars or Saturn and all, they are also there. Only Uranus and Neptune, they are not there. So this is one fact. So the day the child is born, he is given a name. Before he is given a name, he is born with a date of birth. So that is with the major planet which starts working in his life. And then when he is given a name, the minor planets also start affecting. See, there are people, skeptical maybe about it. All may not believe these things, but I have visualized and experienced, and there are lakhs of people in the world who are experiencing and we can't, we all say that this number is, somewhere we say always, this number is lucky for me, or this number is unlucky for me, this color is lucky for me, because everything comes in numerology. The lucky colors come, the lucky days come, the lucky dates come. There are so many things, even the health and the profession, everything comes in numerology. So people have started, long back. When I learned approximately maybe 30 years back. So I have already enhanced and seen so many, and still I am learning. Because every day we are getting, it's, unending knowledge. So this is how things are working. So date of birth and name number, really they help us in our life and they work. I'll give you one more example. I should not take names of celebrities nowadays because the situation of what things are happening and all. But let's take MS Dhoni. Why he wears always 7-number t-shirt? If you will be seeing it. He finds 7-number lucky. For him, 7-number is lucky. So it is in the same way where I'll take also name number, for example. If we'll take the name of mommies also, every alphabet has value. And the counting is accordingly. My name, your name, everyone's name also has alphabetical values. And this all studied in the scriptures. It is a saga of knowledge which is going on. I am having so much short time. I should say, Shalu, I want to talk so much.
We are loving listening
people, I'm sorry, I may be going out of track also.
Increasing. This is the, I guess, first or second live that I see members are increasing and they are liking, they're commenting what you are saying because it's an interesting topic.
Thank you. Plato, one of I would say a scientist, and he was a mathematician. He has also told that everything in our life, our lifespan is geometrized. I'll tell you, for example, if we know 2 angles of a triangle, we'll be able to find out the third angle. In the same way, if we'll know the name number and the date of birth, accordingly, a numerologist will start, giving a report based on these 2 things. And that will bring, I have done with so many clients, that they have got prosperity, they have got progress, maybe in relationship, maybe in career. Because people are mainly facing nowadays 2 major problems in life we face, finance and relationship. These are 2 major issues. Then there are other issues also which are coming up. Health is not, it is one of the major issues, but we don't take it as a serious thing. People nowadays in lockdown and all are more with finance and all. So this numerology works, and it works at subconscious level. The progress will be seen, It is not every time that luck works and our hard work works. Sometimes
Right.
this particular cosmic energy elements also work, and they really help us in some or the other way in our lives. So I have come across, and I have, just I'll tell you one more thing. There have been people who are adding one alphabet. Irfan Khan, who expired, who died
Yeah.
early because of cancer.
Yeah.
See, diseases are very common. A person can get any time, any health issues are. So even in
Yeah.
tarot reading, I always say that health issues nowadays, I am really finding it difficult to guess and tell
Right.
you that how good will be your health and all.
Yeah.
So accordingly, if you see, he added in his name I double R.
Hmm.
His spelling
Yes.
was changed. That
Yeah.
is why, because the birth date we can't change. And all
Right.
numbers are good. We come across all date of births which come to 1 to 9 only. Supposing my date of birth is, say, 1st May. Mine is single number. But there can be somebody's date of birth which is 25. It will come to 7. So
Hmm.
all single numbers 1 to 9. They are all good
Hmm.
numbers. But few numbers are heavy numbers. Like
Oh.
we say in our numerology, there are different groups. And there are
Hmm.
9 schools of numerology. We follow the Vedic school. We follow
Hmm.
Indian numerology, what Sanjay Jumani and all you must have heard the name of the famous numerologist. They
Hmm.
use same numerology. And we consider that 4 and 8 are heavy numbers. Nobody
Hmm.
should be scared with this who has date of birth with 4 and 8. I am telling you in advance. Don't feel
Hmm.
that if I am born on 22nd or if I am born on, say, we take 17th is not good. No, they are little heavy numbers. All numbers are good, but 17 हम बोलते हैं शनि का number है. It
Yeah.
is number of Saturn, 8 number.
Hmm.
So these are
Hmm.
all the things which are I am in a nutshell telling you about how things are to be progressed, and so we recommend for 4 and 8 change of name. Now change of name won't be, we'll change the name. We'll add an alphabet. And it is not to be done legally. It is
Hmm.
done with the help of, this we may say addition of a letter, but it is to be utilized how we
Hmm.
explain to the client how to use it and utilize it. And
Right.
I have seen, I recently I had an example. One of the my client, she had never thought of doing numerology, but she was facing a lot of problems in
Oh.
career. So I made a change, and she really saw the progress. So it will
Okay.
work in subconscious level. Yeah.
Uh-huh.
You can ask me whatever. I have talked a lot. If you
There
feel
are
so,
many
I
questions.
never.
Yeah. There are
Yeah,
many
sure.
questions you have to answer, but I want to ask you one thing.
Huh.
When we shared the teaser about you coming live, so there was one statement which was mentioned that you believe in that your experience says everything has a solution,
Correct.
right? So do you think that
See,
numerology, yeah, helps
yeah.
in that?
See,
We cannot change
correct.
the
I
date of birth,
understand.
like you said.
Yeah.
Yeah,
See, I'll tell you with experience of mine, we say we are after all human beings. There can
yeah,
be good astrologers, very versatile astrologers, very good numerologists. There are many in Mumbai itself
uh,
who are very good. See, we try our level best and we try to bring those
hmm,
changes because it's not in one thing, shallow, that we bring
yes,
changes only
actually,
in
yeah,
name or something. We give them a report, and in that
yeah,
report, we give whatever things are to be included. They are not to be, followed every day. But
right,
if
right,
they follow it in the right way, we explain to them. They
okay.
really see the growth and prosperity, which I have seen in myself also. My name number, luckily, has been on a good number because it is matching my date of birth, which I should be grateful. This for my
Acha.
parents only, thankful to my parents. They had already put my name on a good number with my date of birth.
Hmm.
So, not necessary, but I would say I have done for many people and they have brought other, they have passed on to other people also. So, it
Yes.
really works. faith is the main thing where you need to have faith, and we try our level best. Scientifically, we try to put it in the right way. So it
No,
works.
this
There is
happens
a
when we
solution.
are talking, when I talk to someone and I trust you completely what you are saying. Why? Because you definitely believe in vibes, because you come
Yeah,
from a background that you have learned a lot. So the vibes, when
yeah.
it's changed, so we all are liking the, the knowledge what you are sharing. We are loving the concept
Thank
you
you.
are sharing, because
Thank you.
it's very rare nowadays that people actually go into the deep
It's true.
knowledge. Because or
Yeah,
आजकल अभी ना spiritual guru hona, it has become a joke. Every lane we get so many people that कि हाँ हमने ये किया है,
yeah.
they claim a lot of things,
Correct.
and because
Yeah.
of them
True.
so many people get duped.
Yeah.
उनको बहुत
Yeah.
नुकसान होता
Correct.
है. तो वो जो
True.
जेन्यून आप मिले हैं हमारे कम्युनिटी को भी. सो यस,
Thank
वी
you.
आर
Yeah.
रियली लाइकिंग इट यू हियर.
See, this is
ओके
actually
सो
a science which is not started by me. It is from generations. So I have learned from, you say there are too many books and all which you can get on Google also. I'll recommend one
यस.
or two books also if people would like to read them. And they
हाँ.
are really worth. One I said of Kiro only. Kiro has written the book on numerology. It's a wonderful book. People should read it. Only thing is what I teach also. So sometimes students ask me that should we come to you and learn? Like I said, if you learn better, because for everything a guru is required. That's what I say. So it's that.
Yeah.
I am ready to
So
take queries also if you. Yeah.
yeah, so queries have started coming in. So before we get a notification, Instagram, because when we'll be reaching to the time limit, Instagram will send me a notification that your video
Sure.
will go off. So before that, I
Okay.
want to inform all my viewers and all my community
Uh,
members that if the video
yeah.
goes off, I'll share the contact
Uh,
numbers of Helmi. You all can contact
thank
her,
you so
connect
much.
her
Yeah.
whenever you want, and
Yeah,
she'll
yeah.
be
I'll be
helping you in
giving
all the best
Shalu,
ways.
yeah, I'll be giving them one or two questions free. Don't worry. Because
Yeah,
after
yeah.
all, we are in a group where I need to
Yes, yes,
help
yes,
them
no
also.
problem at all.
Yeah,
We
no
understand
issue.
completely. So we'll just
No
take few
issue.
queries.
Yeah,
Okay, so you need the name and date of birth both, right?
huh, yeah.
Okay,
Or even date of birth also, I can tell something. If they have date of birth
okay,
also, I
all
will
right.
tell.
Okay,
Yeah.
so there is one, it flashed in front of me, 11th August 83, and she is asking
Huh.
when will I have my own house?
11 August 83. Just 1
Yeah,
minute.
yeah,
I'll just calculate and let her know.
yes. Guys, thanks a lot for watching and
1 minute, 29.
appreciating. Yeah, yeah, and appreciating Bharuri ji,
I
because
should
I'm
know
watching.
exactly. She'll have her exactly at the time in the year which will be ending with the total of 2. Wherever
Acha.
it will be with 2, like 2020, we are having it now, it's 4.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
2022, 23, that way it will end up the year when it will come to 2020. Because see, this I'll have to calculate, Shalu,
Yeah, yeah,
and tell her.
right, right. I
So
get
it
that.
will
Yeah.
be approximately, I think it will take 2030, 31.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
All right. All right.
yeah,
So I'll not take too many queries because this needs your
yeah. It is
understanding
another
skills
thing
on
what
the
I
Instagram.
want to tell her. I want to tell her
Yeah.
name number, date of birth is a very good number. It's 11
Okay.
number. She'll always rise in her career. It's,
Hmm.
like Amitabh Bachchan's number. But once in life, downfall will come.
Yeah.
And again, she will rise. So she'll have
Okay.
a house within 10 years of span. Not very early. It's
Okay.
little difficult with her destiny number because her destiny number, total of the date of birth is coming 31, which is 4.
Right. Right.
So
Right. Right.
there is
Okay.
little hitch. So I'll have to
Okay.
see your name also later on.
Yeah.
She
So
can
I
call
guess
me and because
I
we'll
guess
take
these
other
people
people.
will. Yeah, these people will contact you because I'll be giving your contact details to them.
No
I'll
issue.
take one more
Yeah,
query.
sure, Dick. Yeah.
Right now, what I can see is Manvi Chauhan. She says
Huh.
27/11/2002. It's her date
Huh.
of birth. and she's
Huh.
asking about her career. She's actually trying to go abroad for the studies.
Huh. Okay.
So she wants to know, yeah.
She can try. She'll be getting it. She has got a very good chance of going. Because our destiny number and date of birth also is a good number. 9 number is a good number. 2 and
Okay.
7. 27 is our first date of birth, which is 9 number. It's a good number. And destiny
Yeah.
number also is a good number. I
Hmm.
cannot tell very much surely, but she has very good chance of going and she can try by
Okay.
next year or 2022 beginning. She has chance
Okay.
of going.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Wonderful.
I think she
And
had
she's
an
going.
opportunity before also, but she missed that opportunity. I don't know.
Yeah, she's getting an opportunity before that also.
She can try it because she has got complete chance over there to go. She has chance of
Okay.
going. She'll be going
Okay.
very soon, but not prior to
Right.
June 2021.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right.
yeah.
So I am just missing this query from Preeti Agarwal actually. She had posted a long
Then,
back.
then,
Preeti, can you copy paste it? I'll just go through again. Meanwhile, I'll just take another query.
Yeah,
I'll just take the
I
queries
had
which
one
are,
number.
yeah,
Yeah,
I'll just
I
take the
have one.
queries.
Yeah, you can ask. You can ask.
Okay, this is important, Bharviji. I want to ask you this one. Poonam
Yeah,
is there. She is asking that her date of birth is 26th 10 1984,
huh.
and she's facing a lot of problem in the relationship with the husband.
See, I was going to tell about this particular number only. Her date of birth is 8.
Yeah,
And her name, what you said, please repeat the name, Shalu.
Poonam.
Poonam. I would
Yeah,
suggest she should have a little change in name and she should go for little of numerological backup because that will
okay,
only give her growth. That these problems are not going to end soon. And
right.
she, at present, if she believes in uh, prayers and gods and all, if she should do Hanuman Puja, Hanuman Chalisa.
Acha,
This also
okay,
we tell in numerology because it's a kind of what arms are to be given and what
right.
particular prayers are to be followed, which particular god is to be
Hmm.
followed. 8 is a number of Saturn, Shani. So we
Yeah,
can
yeah, yeah.
read to Shani Dev only through Hanumanji. I'm
Okay.
telling you. Because we directly don't go to Shani temple. We see people more
Yes,
going to Hanuman temple.
I actually, she
Uh,
has contacted me
yeah,
also during this pandemic,
yeah.
and I know more about it. And she has actually faced a lot of problem all this while.
It
So
won't end. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. I would
she's back
need
to her place.
her
Actually,
husband's
she's not
date of.
with the husband right now. She's
Okay.
back to her
I am
Maika.
seeing it. Our problems are a little bit going to increase more. And
Yeah,
solution उसका मिल सकेगा, but I'll have to take a husband's date of birth and name number also. Then we
right.
can see the compatibility and all. Because I'll have to check and see accordingly. Because right
No,
now I
I
am seeing
understand
little
that.
of problems.
Yes,
Yeah.
this needs complete attention of yours. Poonam, please get in touch with Bharviji. You can contact me. I'll give you the contact numbers, and she will help you out. All right. So there's another query from Tani Bharti. She is asking about husband's career. 1st June 1988, and she's saying there are
Huh.
always the hurdles. So when he
But
can
I
start his
want a
career?
husband's date of birth. I want a husband's date of birth because she is
Yes.
asking about her
So
husband.
she's given the husband's date of birth only. 1st June
Okay.
1988.
Yeah. Uh,
Yeah.
yeah. He'll be facing this for 1.5 year, 2 years more. He won't be
Okay.
surmising with this particular problems very soon. And
Okay.
I would suggest he'll have ups and downs. But after
Hmm.
that, if he is crossed, I am not able to count exactly now what is his age. I must see.
Mm-hmm.
Uh, yeah, he has already crossed. So after 45, he will be having more better growth in life. He is
Mm-hmm.
already 42 running.
Yeah.
So I am seeing it, and he is a sun person. He won't be sitting peacefully at one place, I would say. He is like
Hmm.
me, and he must be working very hard,
Hmm.
slogging and all. But luck also works, and then this particular numbers also are to be put in proper this. I should see his name also. and
Hmm.
he is going to prosper. Even if he won't take any of my advice, he has to do Sun Puja, Surya Puja also on
So,
Sundays, and
yeah,
avoid wearing black. Avoid wearing black
what is
shirt,
in black?
black
Okay.
t-shirt, black. Yeah, because trousers and all chalu chal jata hai. But then
Right.
one number people should avoid, and mostly in numerology, we
Hmm.
avoid black. But
Okay.
in party wear and all, even I wear. Not that
Yeah.
we should be very staunch follower of it, but on
Uh,
particular occasions and particular days, Sunday he should not wear black.
Acha.
Yeah,
Okay, so I'll
and
just
he
take the
has to
last
go with Sun
query.
Puja.
I'll take
Yeah.
the last query. The name
Okay.
is
I'm
Deepti
sorry
Khosla.
I couldn't cover up all people.
No,
I'll
no, no
do
problem at all.
anytime.
The name is
Yeah.
Deepti Khosla, and her date of birth is 8th August 84.
Okay. What is a query?
About business, I'm sorry, I forgot. She's asking about her
No,
business. She's
no
into
issue.
business.
Yeah.
She's into business, so she's asking about the business.
Eighth, eighth or what?
8th August 84,
Ah,
1984.
okay. Okay. This is, if she is doing partnership, it won't work. If
Acha.
she is doing her own business also, it will have a little setback of money. And I should
Acha.
also know, see, in numerology, we also see what kind of business they are doing. What are
Ah.
the products they are selling, or what particular business they are into in direct marketing or whatever. I have to see that. Because
She's
that
into travel.
professions also,
She's
travel
into
and
travel
tourism.
business. Yeah.
Yeah, it's very good. It's powerful. Eight is powerful number with travel and tourism. It will work. But for 1 year, she'll have to wait, and she should not go for partnership if she is doing it.
Okay.
Within family members, okay, but not with friends.
All
Yeah.
right.
And yeah,
Okay. So we are now reaching to the target time, and
okay.
I am so much loving it that I do not want to end it
Thank you
personally,
so
but
much.
I really, really appreciate Bharviji because you have given your precious time and you are
Yeah,
giving
thank
all
you.
the
No,
knowledge
it's
and
my
taking
pleasure.
queries.
My pleasure. Shalu, you are giving a wonderful platform to all us, all of us.
Like,
Yeah, we are actually grandmommies, but we are really getting good chance.
I
Thank you so
really
much.
loved having you. I would love to
Thank you.
see you sometime again soon. Let's see
No
when.
issue.
But
Most
yes,
welcome.
I request every member of Mommy's World for You, please get in touch with Bharviji
Yeah,
and get your queries
correct.
sorted. She's a wonderful
Mm,
person and she'll do the best for you guys. You can
yeah.
ask the contact numbers from me. Also, she has her Instagram handle, which I'm going to add at the end of the session. And you can watch this copy again on YouTube and our Facebook community. Thanks for joining in, Bharviji.
Thank you
Thanks
so
a
much.
lot.
Thank you so much.
Thank
Yeah,
you. Thank you. We loved you.
thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah,
Thanks.
same here. Thank you. Thanks to all the viewers who really
Yeah,
joined
thanks.
and
Thanks.
really made this
Yeah.
session a
Thanks.
wonderful one. I
It will
am
keep
thanking all
increasing.
of them.
I'll share the views
Most
later with
welcome.
you. It will keep increasing. Thanks a lot.
Yeah, most welcome. Thank you so much. Yeah, thank you.
Maza aa gaya, guys. What a wonderful session. I loved her spirit of answering all the questions I took. You all can understand we have very less time on Instagram. We cannot just go on and on. And it's very important for each one of us to understand that eventually she is charging for her the learnings, what she has learned over the years. So if not because of the financial reasons, but yes, because of the knowledge what she is sharing, it has to be appreciated. And she took the queries when I said that you have to answer few queries. She just said, "Yeah, fine, I'll take it, no problem." So that's the spirit, And all these years, she is a motherly figure. Not once I felt like that I should be, not asking any question. I should not be putting you, in a doubt कि हमें ये answer नहीं मिलेगा. So this is what happens that we get such kind of people at Instagram live series. I love you all. Thank you so much for joining. For all your queries, you can get in touch with her. I'll be tagging her Instagram handle, and she's a wonderful person indeed. So at Mommy's World, we wish the best for her. To all of you, I would say, take care, happy festivities, enjoy your Diwali, and we look forward for a blessed 2021 after this. And I'll see you again next Friday with some other guest. Till then, you take care and happy parenting. Bye bye.